So right on, we're here in beautiful Italy, Tuscany, and we're looking at the stock adventure sports, and the owner is no less than Gionata Nencini.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna be outfitting this beautiful bike very, very soon with experimental white color. We're gonna remove the stock. Can we call it protection?
Can I be honest? No. I don't think you can. I think they're mostly lead support. They easily bend with any sort of leaning, so they tend to scratch the fairing. They sit on just two holding points at the back, two holding points under the instrument.
And we have the Outback Motortek alternatives laid out here. Gionata chose a specific color, a very unique setup here to match the actual frame color on the new Adventure Sports. So we have the skid plate white as well. We have the engine guards. We have the crash bars laid out here, the lower crash bars. Also have the upper crash bars with the improved mounting tab. We're also going to be mounting Adventure Sports specific center stand, taller than the regular center stand we produce because this bike is taller as well. The X frames, pannier racks, specifically made for the Adventure Sports as well, due to different mounting points. So right on, we're gonna get the work going and we'll be checking in soon with some more videos. Dismounting, I'm gonna start with the skid plate. And in mounting, we're gonna start with the crash protection first. Goodbye. I loosen this as well, because if this tab is loose, then it's easier to adjust the engine guard. So now it's hand tightened.
I remember this was the hardest part for me when I was alone.
The key is always to leave everything pretty much loose and then leave it for last to go around it. It looks really cool on the Adventure Sports.
Yeah, because everything is white in the lower part of the bike.
It'll be nice and dirty.
Barre alte si appoggiano alla base sul paramotore che avete visto prima, la staffa principale sul telaio principale, poi gli agganci sulle parti laterali del telaio. Quindi è molto solido.
Hi guys.
CNC machine spacer fits right in here. The locking nut.
3, 2, 1.
Beautiful.
And up. Nice and steady. Hi guys, welcome to Tuscany. Welcome to the warehouse. I had the chance to try your products last year on a CRF Rally Red. I was very happy. I was highly impressed with the crash test video you published. And since I got this new baby last week, I wanted to keep it with highly reliable protection. The reason why I wanted to keep it with protection was because I'm off to Patagonia for 3.5 months. And you know, there's a lot of gravel, sandy trails, salt desert, corrugations. And if it rains, the road transforms into clay and mud.
So we can safely say it will be a really good exposure for our protection. Make it or break it, right?
Yep. Today we started with the lower protection.
Lower crash bars, which is pretty much the foundation of all the protection, right, that we build upon.
It is, and after that we mounted the higher protections, and then the engine guard and the skid plate.
And you chose all white, which is pretty much an experimental color right now.
Yes.
And are you happy with it?
I'm very happy. I've been mounting black Outback Motortek in the past, but since the frame of this bike is full white, I wanted to give it a bit of an Italian touch.
Yeah.
So, of course, we have the center stand, which is holding the bike up right now.
Yeah.
It's a very smooth mechanism, and finally the pannier rack, which is also white and will allow me to hold my soft bag firm and tight. So I'm pretty impressed with what you did. Thank you very much for helping me, and I will surely let you know how the adventure goes. I will test this product to the core. So thank you very much.
Right on.